Tesla's best-selling compact SUV just got smarter, sleeker, and more efficient. And the upgrades for 2026 are more exciting than ever. So let's explore everything new in the latest Model Y. From the outside, the 2026 Model Y brings a refreshed design that's cleaner, sharper, and more aerodynamic. Subtle body refinements, redesigned LED headlights, and a smoother front fascia give it a more modern presence on the road. Tesla has also introduced new wheel options designed to reduce drag and improve efficiency, helping the SUV gain a few extra miles of range without changing anything under the hood. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the upgrades. The minimalist Tesla interior now feels more premium than before, with higher quality materials, improved sound insulation, and a new ambient lighting strip that stretches across the cabin. The 15-inch central touchscreen has been updated with faster processing, richer colors, and smoother animations. Now let's talk performance, because the 2026 Model Y delivers. Depending on the configuration, the Model Y offers up to 330-plus miles of range, thanks to battery efficiency improvements and Tesla's ongoing software optimizations. The standard version provides smooth acceleration perfect for daily driving, while the performance version elevates things with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time under 4 seconds, giving you sports car thrills in a practical SUV. Charging has also become easier than ever. The 2026 Model Y is fully compatible with Tesla's V4 Superchargers, allowing for faster charging sessions and better heat management. A quick 15-minute charge can give you enough range for an entire day's commute, making road trips more convenient and stress-free. Like every Tesla vehicle, safety is a priority. The 2026 Model Y comes with enhanced collision avoidance technology, improved structural rigidity, and updates to its emergency braking system. With Tesla's track record for high safety ratings, the new Model Y continues this legacy with confidence. So there you have it, the 2026 Tesla Model Y. A smarter, more refined, and more capable version of Tesla's wildly popular electric SUV. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more EV content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.